Hello guys, do you know that you can make money with an app you will upload in your phone? It will be running as long as you're using data on your phone. It's not collecting your data. There are data that are supposed to be waste, the ones that are supposed to thrown away. Those are the ones it gathers, and at the end of it pays you. You absolutely doing nothing on this app. They have survey you can do, but it's your choice. Like me, I'm not doing the survey, but I'm gonna show you right now the money I've made on that app. If you want to know more about making money online, please subscribe to this channel. My name is Angela Noble. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, put on your notification bell so that whenever I upload any video in this channel, you will be the first that YouTube will notify and you start taking action. Alright guys, you're welcome back. This app I want to introduce to us now is called Brown.com. Just follow me. Go to your app store if you are using iPhone. If you are using Android phone, go to your Play Store and type in Brown.com. So this is how the app will look like. Brown.com. This is how the app will look like. Brown.app. You click on it. This is how it is. Look at the money I've made on this app. Are you seeing it? This is my dashboard. This is survey. Imagine I want to do a survey. This is where the survey is. This is where they have the settings. This is your cash out. When you have made the money, this is where you will cash out your money. I just uploaded this app not quite long ago. Look at the money I've made here. If you want to cash it out, this is where you will press. The minimum amount of cash out is $5. So before you cash out, this is where you will put all your bank information, the account that you want to cash the money to. Okay, so this is the settings. You just on, make sure that your share internet is on. Okay, then disable the battery saving. Just disable it. Okay, so this is all it's all about. So if you want to earn more money, you can refer people. Just like I will put the link below this video, the link to get to start with this app. You don't need to go to any Play Store, anywhere to download. Once you click on this link, you download the app from there. So that's how you will also be making money. Once you share the link and people click on this link and start making money, you'll be earning 10% of their own earning. That's another way you can make money with this app. And that way you are not doing anything, just that the app is in your phone. That's all. And you can put it in 2, 3 phones. No matter how many phones you have, you can put the app there and it will be running. While you are using your phone, you are doing browsing, doing other things, the app will be running. Okay. So let's go back to the dashboard. This is the money I've made on this app. It has not reached $5. When it reaches $5, that's when I'm gonna cash out. So if you want to reach them out, this is their social media handles. This is Discord handle. Once you click here, you will go to their page. This is their Twitter. This is their TikTok, this is their Reddit and their Instagram. So you can contact them anytime you have an issue. Make sure you will download this app install it in your phone. That's all you will do. You don't need to do any other thing, okay? And it will be running in your phone and make money for you. Make sure you download this app. It will cost you nothing. Make sure you download it from the link below this video and start making money. In this channel, I teach on how to make money online. If this is what you want to achieve, if this is what you want to know more about, please subscribe to this channel. Put on your notification bell so that whenever I upload any video, you'll be the first. YouTube will notify and you start taking action. Okay? Like this video. Give it a thumbs up. See you on my next video. Stay cool.